Right, don't get paint on the new seat mat. That ain't gonna fit, is it? Okay. Right, seating position, mint. Seatbelt sucks. Mint. Camera's on the red. I'm on the red. We're in. Right, so I think I've worked out what I need. Need some 50 by 100 or by 80 or whatever by half a meter of angle at 50 mil, about 4 mil, and then some 4 mil stock bar by 50 mil, half a meter of that. I think I'm going to park that for a second, put a blanket up on the car, put the other seats up on there, get them out of the way because they're quite bulky, and then I can continue on the rest of the odd little jobs because there's a lot of them and I'm running out of time. Now, before you ask, I know that the shocks are not going to be very good. I know they're designed for an engine with 22 horsepower, but I have run out of money. This is exciting. I've been avoiding this for a while, but I can't avoid it any longer. The wiring. We've got an absolute mess in here of old Suzuki stuff that's not needed. One of the mistakes that I made with Ollie when we were down doing his bit is we put the wiring loom underneath the engine cradle, which was very, very silly of us. We need to try and take it away from there. So there's only one thing for me to do, take it over the other side, bring it back down away for some heat. The only thing we really need is the brake lights and everything, which is that bit. Wish me luck. Good luck! That's all the stuff that I think ran the engine on the original van. And then this is all the stuff here that runs to the back. Well, we're committed now. Come with me if you want to live. Man, I wish I had a wiring diagram. Oh, shit. Well, that's not gonna work, is it? That's a 6, that's a 4. Back to the drawing board. Good. Well, I think that turned out okay. I freaking hate wiring, but it's a necessary evil, so you know what time it is. Yes! Let's take out the door card. As much as I hate this car sometimes, that door card was possibly the easiest door card I've ever had. That's a drum. We're going to try and get rid of the drum. So that's made a big difference to the outer skin. Has it worked perfectly? No. Could I spend hours and hours and hours out here? Yes. Am I going to? No. I think it's better. Today is going to be a big day. It's not going to look like this anymore. It's not going to look like this. So tomorrow, Matt and Scott are coming over here to help me. The plan for the day is I've got to get this removed, painted, made ready so that we can finally put it all together. So the things I'd like to get done today are all of that tidied up, that floor removed, the sound deadening put down on here, all of the underbody and everything like that painted, engine out, transfer case out, all of the piping out, intercooler off, splitter off, intercooler, bumper, everything off so that we're ready to go. The only things that I'm waiting on are ECU and the wiring loom. But been told that they're going to be here, so we're keeping an eye on what that all looks like. I really hope it all works. If they turn up, then this thing will run. This thing will run. Thanks for coming with us on the journey. Tomorrow is going to be massive, which probably means that this will be the last footage that you will see of me with my croaky voice at 4 o'clock in the morning. And it'll actually be daylight and human beings around, so I'm not sitting here talking to myself. Consider liking and subscribing to Matt's channel. So I was hoping to be able to give this to him as a wee gift to say thank you for all of the help that he's given me over the years, and hope that you guys enjoy it so that it can be really successful, and then he can get me to do another one. Bye! It's daylight! I've got to take the sump off and fit the battle off. So I'll just whip the sump off because there's only like 3 or 4 bolts in it, and then I'll show you what it looks like underneath. And we've got to try and work out how this goes in there, because this is like a little baffle plate to stop oil from sloshing around. Ah, why don't we just do something like that? Oh my goodness, they're tight. Wow. Right, so they're going to go super duper tight. Oh my goodness. This is hitting something here, but this needs to be clearance. I actually think I've got 2 of them, and it's somewhere up in here. Where the f did I put that? Let me see if I can find it. I mean, they look very similar but very different. So, Whole Shot Racing, Skidmore Garage. That one doesn't even fit. Yeah, that one ain't working. Right, we're clearancing this out then. Let's start with there, fire the grinder out and make it happen. How flippin' cool is this? So now what we've got is that's under acceleration, and then as you hit the brakes, that swings forward and picks up all the oil from the front of the pan. Cool, eh? Oh no, I can't get to the bolt. Yeah, I can. The time has come to take everything out. Gonna be good! Well, that's the last of the painting done. Well, last of the painting done for tonight. And then we've got a list of jobs that we've got to get done. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be fun. Well, I hope that it ends up being fun. I hope this bloody wiring loom shows up. I'll be absolutely gutted if the wiring loom doesn't show up. Done all I can to get it all together. Chuck the battery on charge. Looks weird on the ground, doesn't it? The next time I will see you, I won't be by myself. It won't be 4 o'clock in the morning, and we'll be putting this thing together and hopefully getting it started. It's gonna be freaking awesome. See you there. Bye.